Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to reset Asus Zen WiFi BT10, and no, this video is not about how to press this reset button. Yes, of course, if you forgot your admin credentials or if you for some reason just need a fresh start, reset button is a good option. But in this video I would like to show you how advanced users use hard reset and how to turn it into your system recovery tool and what to do instead of hard reset if you have some issues. Let's get into it right now. So to make hard reset your good friend, first of all, you need to learn how to create backups. Let's say you have a lot of settings in your router, for example, parental controls, quality of service, LAN settings, VPN, and so on. A lot of settings over here, and if you do a hard reset, you have to set up everything from scratch, and if you have a big network, many satellites, many devices connected to your system, it can be just frustrated. So I recommend you to create backup right after you have the first successful configuration, when everything works good. So what you need to do is open settings in Asus router application, then find system settings, and tap on settings backup. But before saving settings, log into your Asus account. So let's go home, tap on three bars over here and tap on login. Why do you need to do this? Because if you are not logged in to your Asus account, your backup will be stored locally, and if you uninstall the application, the backup will be deleted as well. So you can use Google or Apple account or Facebook to just log into your Asus account. As you can see, it's pretty fast and easy. Just wait a few seconds. Bind your account with your router. And then go back to settings, system settings, backup, and save your settings. Then you can do a hard reset. Go back to system settings, restore factory defaults, but let me cancel for this example. Then set up your router from scratch. I recommend you to set the same Wi-Fi network and password to make your devices to connect to the network automatically. Then go back to this menu, go to setting backup, restore your router and select your latest backup, apply, and that's it. Once again, don't wait until you have some problems and need a hard reset. Just create backups after any major changes to your settings. If you need to fix issues with internet connection or with something else, don't rush to do a hard reset right away. Try reboot first. Once again, in this settings, in system settings, you can just reboot your whole system. Sometimes it helps to solve issues. Also, to keep your system healthy, you can schedule reboot. So enable this feature and set the schedule time when you're sleeping or not at home or just not active, just like this. And one more way to create a backup is by using the router's web interface. To do this on your computer, make sure you're connected to Asus Zen network and open any web browser, and in the search bar type in the router's IP address. By default, it looks like this for Asus router if you haven't changed it. So hit enter and log in as administrator. Once again, if you forgot these credentials, you have to use the reset button and sign in. Next, scroll down and on the left pane select administration and then select restore save upload setting tab and hit save setting. This time it doesn't save settings in somewhere in the cloud or somewhere else. It creates a file, so you need to save this file somewhere in safe place. And then after hard reset, by the way, you also can do this from web interface, restore factory defaults. After you set up network from scratch, just go here, upload your file in restore settings section, and your system will be restored. That's how it works. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button to support us. Any questions, comment below, and see you in the next videos. Be awesome. Bye guys.